Hello everyone and welcome to Engineering Matcha. Today we'll explore a revolutionary concept that's changing the way we live, work and interact with the world, the Internet of Things or IoT. In this video we'll dive deep into what IoT is, how it works, the architecture behind it, the types of devices that fall under IoT, its real-life applications, benefits, challenges and even a glimpse into its future. So, if you are ready to learn how everyday objects are becoming smarter and connected, stay tuned until the end. Let's get started. What is IoT? Let's begin by understanding what IoT actually is. The Internet of Things or IoT refers to a vast network of physical devices connected to the Internet. These devices are equipped with sensors, software, and other technologies that enable them to collect and share data with each other and with centralized systems. The ultimate goal to make our lives easier and more efficient. Think about it, your smartwatch tracking your steps, your smart thermostat adjusting your home's temperature, or even smart cities optimizing traffic flow. All of these are real world examples of IoT in action. At its core, IoT is about creating a seamless ecosystem where devices work together, sharing data to deliver meaningful insights and automation. This isn't just about convenience, it's about transforming how we interact with technology and the world around us. How does IoT work? Now, how exactly does IoT work? Well, the process can be broken down into four key steps. First, devices equipped with sensors and software collect data from their surroundings. For example, a weather station might measure temperature, humidity, and air pressure. Next, this data is transmitted to a central server or the cloud using communication technologies like Wi Fi, Bluetooth, or cellular networks. Once the data reaches the cloud, it is processed and analyzed to uncover patterns, insights, or anomalies. Finally, based on this analysis, actions are taken. These could be automated responses like a sprinkler system turning on when soil moisture levels drop or manual interventions guided by insights provided to the user. Additionally, IoT systems allow users to monitor and control devices remotely, making them more interactive and user friendly. Imagine being able to control your home's lighting or security system from halfway across the world. That's the power of IoT. IoT architecture. To better understand IoT, let's look at its architecture, which can be divided into four main layers. The perception layer. This is the first layer where the magic begins. It includes all the sensors, devices, and actuators that interact with the physical environment. These components collect data like temperature, pressure, motion, or even biometric information. The network layer. This layer is responsible for transferring the data collected by the devices. It uses various communication protocols like Wi Fi, Zigbee, Bluetooth, or cellular networks to send data to the cloud or centralized systems. The data processing layer. Here, the raw data is processed, stored, and analyzed to derive actionable insights. Advanced technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning are often used in this layer to enhance decision making. The application layer. Finally, the application layer is where users interact with the system. It includes software, dashboards, or mobile apps that present the analyzed data in an easy to understand format and allow users to take actions or monitor performance. This layered structure ensures that IoT systems are efficient, scalable, and adaptable to various applications. Types of IoT devices. IoT devices are diverse and cater to different industries and needs. Let's categorize them into four main types. Consumer IoT. These are devices we use in our daily lives. Examples include smart home gadgets like voice assistants, wearable fitness trackers, smart refrigerators, and smart TVs. Industrial IoT. This category focuses on devices used in manufacturing, factories, and industrial setups. Examples include sensors for monitoring machinery, predictive maintenance tools, and systems for optimizing production processes. Healthcare IoT. In the healthcare sector, IoT has brought about incredible advancements. Devices like wearable health trackers, remote patient monitoring systems, and connected medical equipment enable better healthcare delivery and patient outcomes. Agricultural IoT. Agriculture has also benefited greatly from IoT. Smart irrigation systems, livestock tracking, soil sensors, and weather monitoring tools help farmers optimize resources and improve crop yields. Each type of IoT device addresses unique challenges and offers specific benefits, highlighting the versatility of IoT. Real life applications of IoT. Now let's explore the exciting real life applications of IoT. Smart homes. IoT makes home automation a reality. From controlling lighting and heating to managing security and entertainment, smart homes offer comfort and convenience. Smart cities. IoT is essential for creating smart cities. Applications include traffic monitoring to reduce congestion, smart street lights that save energy, and efficient waste management systems. Healthcare. IoT is revolutionizing healthcare by enabling remote patient monitoring, telemedicine, and smart medical devices. These advancements are especially critical in providing timely care. Agriculture. With IoT, farmers can use automated irrigation systems, monitor soil conditions, and even track livestock to improve productivity. Transportation. IoT plays a crucial role in autonomous vehicles, fleet management, and real time vehicle diagnostics, ensuring safer and more efficient transportation systems. These applications demonstrate how IoT is transforming various sectors, making them smarter and more efficient. Benefits of IoT. The benefits of IoT are numerous and impactful. Let's take a closer look. Efficiency. By automating routine tasks, IoT saves time and effort, allowing humans to focus on more complex activities. Cost reduction. IoT helps optimize resources, reducing operational cost across industries. Improved data insights. Real time data collection and analysis lead to informed and effective decision making. Convenience. IoT devices provide unmatched convenience by allowing remote monitoring and control. In essence, IoT simplifies processes, enhances productivity, and improves the overall quality of life. Challenges of IoT. Despite its many advantages, IoT faces several challenges that need to be addressed. Security and privacy. With so many devices connected, protecting data from cyber threats is a major concern. Scalability. As the number of devices grows, managing this expansion becomes increasingly complex. Interoperability. Ensuring seamless communication between devices from different manufacturers is a significant hurdle. Data management. The vast amount of data generated by IoT requires efficient storage, processing, and analysis. Overcoming these challenges is crucial for the continued growth and success of IoT systems. The future of IoT. Finally, let's look ahead at the future of IoT. 5G connectivity. The rollout of 5G networks will enable faster data transfer and support the growing number of IoT devices. AI and IoT integration. Combining artificial intelligence with IoT will enhance decision making, automation, and system efficiency. Smart cities. IoT will play a key role in the development of smarter, more sustainable cities, impacting transportation, utilities, and public safety. The future of IoT is incredibly promising, and it's clear that this technology will continue to shape the world in ways we can only imagine. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the Internet of Things. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Engineering Matcha for more content on technology, engineering, and innovation. See you in the next video.